Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for education. Many businesses are impacted by click fraud, especially now that digital marketing tools are often used. Your pay-per-click budget is affected, causing you an unrecognized and significant effect on your business expense. Grow your revenue while protecting your ads from fraud. Click fraud accounts for 30% of clicks on education campaigns. In an article from Cheq, many educational marketers are turning to click fraud prevention software. In a major study by the University of Baltimore, economists found that 30% of clicks on education marketing campaigns are fraudulent or invalid clicks. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Unfortunately, it falls into a gray area where it should be illegal, but it's not, leading to thousands of dollars being wasted. We don't believe this is fair and will do everything we can to make sure your ads are fully protected and you get the most out of your ad budget. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.